and I left all the valve springs soaking overnight with diesel, and I had a little bit of degreaser, so all of them but one are soaking in degreaser. Let's try and see. This one here is my number 3 exhaust with the spring and all. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, it looked dirty, but I don't know. Hopefully it softened up all that gunk. Man, it didn't do anything to it. Now, let's take a look at. Let me just pull it off from right here because I don't want to make a mess. Oh wow, look at that. Look at what degreaser, $1 degreaser did to this. Oh wow. This is just coming right off. Holy moly, donut shop. Look at that. Wow. Looks like I'm finna go get more degreaser. Because, wow. I could probably do the degreaser thing and then throw it in the diesel. I don't know. I don't even need to do that. Wow, man, that's some good stuff. Left it overnight. And it looked new. Alright. Get this one back. Let me get another different one. See, here go number 7. Look at that. It didn't do a difference. Look at that. And by the way, this is the degreaser I'm talking about. Alright, well, looks like we're gonna go get some more degreaser. Alright, so just got back from Dollar Tree and I bought this utensil organizer to keep all my stuff in there because I'm about to, let me see, go to town on them boys. So I labeled everything, 1 intake, 3 intake, and so forth. And just be careful not to get any of it on the marker because that'll come right off. So pour this whole thing in there. And it might not be enough to submerge it, but after a while we can turn it over. We could turn them things over. And I'll do the springs and stuff after this. Just a little quick update. It hasn't even been 10 minutes and you could already see all that stuff coming off. I'll give you another update when I turn them over, but look, see, this is what it's looking like with all that stuff. I did try to clean these up about a year ago whenever I first opened up. No, actually it was about a year and a half ago when I first opened up my valve covers and removed each rock, cleaned them up one by one, threw them back in there. So like this one here, I recently tried to sand it down, and when I seen it was too much work, really wasn't a lot of work, but I'm just saying, you know, to do all these, and I was like, might as well just dip them in some. So you see, that's what it looks like. So I'll let you guys see the flip side whenever it's time. Maybe like 2-3 hours. I'll let them soak for a while. So another 10-minute video, or 10 minutes past, It doesn't look like we're gonna have to wait 2 to 3 hours to turn them over. I say we turn them over now. At least to look at them. At least to see what it's doing. Let me see. Let me pick out one of the grimiest ones. I'll just take this one. Ooh, and look at that. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely soft. It's starting to soft up. Yeah, I will turn them over. So, yeah, definitely. I would say, you know what, let me turn it back. I'm gonna give it 1 hour. About 30 more minutes, I'll turn them over. So I'll give it like an hour total time. But man, look at that. And I got my keepers over there. As soon as all these come out, I'll throw them in here along with the push rods and stuff like that. That way I can keep everything organized. Alright, so it's probably been about a whole hour since I first put them in. Maybe a little bit past. I would say maybe like an hour, 20 minutes. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. It's not completely off yet, but it's really soft. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna leave these in there like that for a while. But yeah, the oil has definitely gotten real soft on here. So, yeah. It's been a long time and a couple of turns over and over like rotisserie chicken. But every time I turn it, they got like real, the oil on will get real soft. So I just took a wire brush, this here wire brush, and just like brushed it on the side. And man, look at them. They look good. I think they're ready to come out already. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get them out. And my valves, my valve springs, look how clean they are. Like real clean. That stuff works wonders, man. So I have this one here in diesel, just so it can kind of like wash the degreaser off. Not that it matters, but I don't know. Just wanted to do that. And yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. What I'm gonna do is pull the other head off. So I already got this one all disassembled. I already went and ordered the valves from AutoZone. They'll be here in 3 days, I believe. Yeah, 3 days, 2 or 3 days. I ordered a Felpro head gasket, intake gasket, all kind of gasket kit set from Amazon, and that one will be here, I think, next Friday, Saturday, about 8 days from now. So yeah, it looks like this ain't moving for a while. So what I'm gonna do is just take the other head off and get it prepped up and ready for my parts to come in. So I had 2 bad valves, and then I had one that was suspect. This one, number 5. No, yeah, number 5. Because like I was saying, the bad valves had this black mark on them, and right on the other side of that mark, that's where the messed up part is at. See that? So that's 5. That's this is number 1. Where's number 7? I don't. Oh, wait. 1. And right in my face. So this here is number 7, and you see, 7 also has that black. And I'm right on the other side of it. It's like where it's kind of jacked up. You know what I mean? So those are the 2 that was giving me problems. Check this out. You see how that one's starting to form a little bit of black up on top? So how it's still good over here on this side, but I mean, I could just relap it. But I mean, come on. I already got the head off. It's looking suspect. So I just went ahead. I ordered 4 valves just in case if one of them looks suspect on the other bank. But the other bank ain't giving me no problems. But just, you know, just in case. So it looks like 3 new valves are going on this head. And I'm going to have 1 new valve left over just in case. And yeah. So. Also that gasket set comes with O-rings and stuff like that. So put them back on the valves. On the valve stem. So we'll see what happens. As for now, I'm done cleaning, prepping. I'm gonna just take a little sandpaper and go over this, go over the other side too. I did do the other side with sandpaper, but you know, I'm gonna do it again just to get it ready, and then just put it up and work on the other one. And I'll post some more videos and keep you guys posted and updated. Alright, man, I'll catch you on the next one.